Good morning, children. Now, for evaluation 2, we have our next chapter. This is the second chapter for evaluation 2, and you know that there are 7 chapters for evaluation 2 exam in this portion. Evaluation 1 also we had 7 chapters, and evaluation 2 also we have 7 chapters. So this is the chapter Up You Go. Hope from the name of the chapter you understand about what we are going to study in this chapter. So here is this. This is the place about which we are talking about. Up You Go. You have to read this chapter. Today I am giving you an introduction of the chapter. So few of the pics I am sharing with you so that the chapter gets well introduced to you all. This is about what we are going to study. Where to go. Up you go means in what sense up you go, because only with the word up you go there are lot of meanings associated with it, but here we are talking about, after this pic you can understand about what we are going to study. Up you go, that means the mountain. Yes. And what is a mountain? A landmass that projects well above its surroundings, higher than a hill. So mountain is a thing which is higher than a hill, and it is a landmass which is projecting well above its surroundings. So in its surroundings it is a projected part and it is a landmass. So this is how you can define a mountain. Then here is K2 mountain peak. You can see how this looks like and how steep it is. The name is the K2. Then we have Nanda Devi mountain. This is the peak of the Nanda Devi mountain. See how beautiful and how different they all are from each other. Then we have the 5 tallest mountains on earth. Makalu, and its height is given to you in meters. Lhotse and its height. Kanchenjunga, Wikipedia calls it Kanchenjunga, and the name there is Kanchenjunga. So these two different spellings you can see here for this mountain. But all the atlases we have seen call it this way only. That means Kanchenjunga name only. In the Wikipedia the name is different and the spelling is different. And its height is 8,586 meters. Then there is K2. It is 8611 meters. And then is the Mount Everest. It is 8848 meters. So here the name of the mountains, 5, these are the tallest mountains on earth, and these are here shown you in the increasing order of their height. Okay, among these 5, Mount Everest is the highest. Then here an idea you can get about the different mountains, its height, and the datas are given to you here, where the place, in which country it is, and what is its height, and what is the name. So there we can see how many are there? 7. Then identify. Can you name this person? Can you identify this? No, it is Tenzing Norgay. And then the next pic we have of this person. Hope now you can guess by knowing the name of the first person over there. It is Edmund Hillary. Then this is the pic. Together they climbed the highest peak in the world, the Mount Everest, for the first time. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. And here, this also you should be able to recognize Zanko Tebi, first woman to climb the Mount Everest. Her name is Zanko Tebi. And then here about this person you are going to read in your book, in your chapter, and short note is also asked on this. And she is Bachendri Pal, first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. So go through this paragraph on her, try to learn it and try to write it without seeing from the book. Take out the important points mentioned over there and then you can write in the notebook. So this is the introduction today I have given you for this chapter. Once again I will slide down all the pics which I have shared with you, and so that you can get an idea. The chapter is about up you go, that means how to climb a mountain, what all things are needed, how the team spirit is there, how the team work goes on, and who are the people behind this who have climbed the mountain ranges, and what tools are used. Everything we are going to read about in this chapter. So this is our first introductory part, and here I am sharing with you some of the mountains with their name, and here is the 5 tallest mountains on earth with their measurements, that is how according to their height, and here we have them in the increasing order. Then here is the name of the mountains, their datas, the places where they are, and the date on which they were climbed for the first time. I am stopping this for some time so that you can read it out and you can understand. You should identify the pictures also. Children, this kind of pics are asked given in the exam, and it is asked to identify the personality. So that way also this is important. And short note on Bachendri Pal is also very common question to be asked in the exam. Hope with this introduction you are going to now read the chapter and explore many more things in this chapter. Okay? Thank you.